Yo, what's going on, guys? It's I, Travi, coming at you with another one. And we took the day off Twitch again to make more
Shameless
exciting YouTube
plug.
content. This time, I'm going to show you, I'm going to make a tutorial on how I make my emotes. So let's get into the video. All right, guys. So in this one, we're going to show you how to make emotes. This will be a step-by-step tutorial. So, yeah, let's go into here. All right. So I have this up. I use PicMonkey. So let's create a new folder and type in emotes for Twitch. Create. So we got a new folder. All right. So we're going to hit create new. We're going to hit blank canvas. You're going to want it to be 112 by 112. No, not 122. 112. Okay, now I'm getting ahead of myself. 112 by 112. And it's going to be really small at first. So let's scroll in to make it bigger. Say you want a cow. You got to type in vector. Type in cow of vector. All right, so that's going to come up. And then say you want to make a cow. Go here. And then save image. And as long as it doesn't say the web file, you can do it. So if it says JPEG image, you can do it. All right, so we're going to type in cow, and you're going to save it to your, we're going to go back to PicMonkey, add photo and video, hit computer, and then find where it's going to be, cow. All right, and it's going to come up with this white box. You do have to subscribe to PicMonkey to remove it, or remove the background. So we're going to hit remove background. Hopefully it works. Okay, there. The background is removed. So we're going to make it a little bit bigger. So you get the whole emote in there. You want it to be edge to edge. And if it clips a little bit of stuff out, there we go. We got the cow. And now we can add text to it. The text has to be big enough. We're going to type in oh my God. Lol cow. We're going to drop it down there. And we're going to make sure it is big enough to see. I think that's good enough there. So you can change the color of so my logo colors are gold and blue. So we go gold. And then shadow and outline is probably the best. And then I do both. I don't know why, I just do it. And then we're going to make that the light blue. And then we're going to take down the thickness a little bit. Whoa. All right, so that's done. Okay, so it should be about, it's probably going to be that big. So you really won't be able to see the lolcow. But just for the sake of this video, we're going to leave it to see how it looks. All right, halfway through the video, my audio cuts out, and I don't really feel like making this entire fucking video again. So, here we go. After we get this done right here, the lol cow. All right, so we want to go here again. I'm just gonna go through this real quickly. No, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so LOL LOL face. LOL face emoji. Okay, I picked an emoji. I believe all right. That one looks good. So, we're going to save image. Okay, so it's good. It says JPEG file, not WebP file. So if it says WebP file, you cannot use it. All right, so LOL FASE. We're gonna spell it because I already have an LOL face that I did before, but when my audio cut out, that kind of pisses me off because my microphone's been acting up a lot lately. So go to photo and video, computer, find the one that we spelled wrong, put it in there. Okay, we're going to remove the background. Hopefully it removes it right, or else we won't be able to use it. All right, so there we go. We got it on the cow. Make sure we line everything up right. I want to see the cow's ears. I want to be able to see the cow's ears. So that looks pretty good. All right. Make it like that. Boom. All right. So we will download it. All right. So we got it downloaded. Now the next thing we need to do is put up our regular browser cuz I don't use that browser for my Twitch. So we'll go to our Twitch. Then we'll put in creator dashboard. And then we go to viewer rewards. And then we go to emotes. And if you see, I already got the LOL cow put on there with a different face. So we're going to remove this one. And then we're going to upload. Now you find, okay, right here. And then boom, it's downloaded. And it'll look like that. So we're going to have to type a new one in. L CAWL. And then it's pending because mostly things with words they need to pend. be checked for approval so we can use it. Here's all of our emotes that we have right now. So we'll just wait for that one to be, usually they'll do it right away, but they're not going to do this one right away because it's pretty late in the night. So, yeah, that's how I do my emotes. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, and we will see you all in the next one. Peace.